Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. 4, 3, 2, 1, lights!
Look at this guy. I almost forgot. Hey, what do I see coming down the street with the lights on? Come on, yo, Santa! Come on, Santa!
Alright, it's Sunday night now. As I mentioned in the last vlog, we're gonna make some more cookies with my main man, JJ. And my little guy, Kieran. We're making that too? Alright, so I probably won't show you the whole process, but here we go.
Daddy?
You wanna make some too? Okay.
Junior.
Jay, give him one.
Here. Go in the row.
Good job.
I'm doing roll, Daddy.
Yep.
But don't put them too close. Don't put them too close, okay? That's cold, Daddy. That's cold.
It's cold? Yeah. See, Jay knows what's up. He knows not to put them too close together.
Hey. Hey.
What are you eating?
Eggies.
Eggies? Did mommy make eggies? Mom just made a good breakfast. Look at that. Eggs with cheese and cut up strawberries and bananas. Let's go eat it. Mommy's got a big plate. Continuing our Monday morning. Monday. So good to me. I'm such a good singer. With Kieran. Spread eagle in the bathtub. What are you playing with? Ooh, is that a ducky on a boat? You have so many bath toys. All those things are perfectly covering up your butt. So nobody can see it. You swimming. You're a good swimmer. That's fun. I just did my least favorite thing and cut up onions. But this is dinner. It is red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, onions, and chicken breasts with taco seasoning on top. Cook in the crock pot on low for 4 hours, and you have chicken fajitas. Great idea. Followed up by mom's idea. Don't take me. I don't have it wrong. I got one.
So what'd you set up here, Jay?
A big one.
Let your brother have a turn too. Put it on the top and let go.
Ooh.
And go.
Oh.
Whoa.
Got stuck.
Woo! Kieran made it too.
Let me see.
Nice. Those are called burpees. Alright, Mommy's home. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner. So take a look at this guy, this handsome guy. Ooh.
Oh.
He is smoking.
Mommy.
We're gonna meet Auntie Joy, my parents, and a few other people at dinner. You'll see us right about now.
Hi.
And then I got his car service.
Alright, so we tried. What is this called? Green pepper? Green pepper? Try it. This one right here.
This again.
Yeah.
I would have. Would you like something?
I'll try this.
No, you're very late to the
Okay.
conversation.
Radish.
Oh yeah, what was that called?
All right.
One taste.
This is a trooper.
And then Christian, you were cars, and they own like the parking lot right across the street. And I'm like, oh,
Ew.
Caden, careful.
Ew, look at my eye. Look at my eye.
Doesn't understand the concept. She thinks every horse likes her.
Yeah, it's hot. I'm waiting for it to cool down a little bit.
It tastes like grass.
Grass.
It's well worth it. You like it?
Alright, we're back home from dinner, and we told the boys that we're gonna surprise them with something. So the surprise is coming. You can hear them in the background. You see them. Okay, it's coming soon.
Are their eyes closed?
Their eyes are closed.
Are their eyes closed?
Mm-hmm.
It's so big. Okay, are their eyes closed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we go.
Keep your eyes closed. All right, take a look.
I knew it!
You want to put it up? You want to put it up and decorate it?
Yeah!
Okay.
Let's do it!
All right, now the trick is to make this look full, because
So you take these pieces and you spread them apart.
see what she's doing, Jay?
Ooh, nice.
These don't work.
How does that happen?
I have no idea, but they're not working. These don't work. All of our Christmas lights don't work anymore, so we're going to Walgreens. Which one do you like better?
This probably.
Daddy, when it's Kira's birthday, can we go to Walgreens and get one of those cars?
Sure.
All right, come on, let's go.
Got the ornaments out.
Daddy, ball.
Mm-hmm. No.
Nobody.
Let me look at all those.
We've got, this is not even half. We have so many ornaments.
Here's the finished product.
It's Friday morning, Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I'm really tired because I've been working a lot lately, so I like just woke up.
Well, they don't know what time it is.
It's like 10 a.m. 10:16. I woke up at like 9:45. The boys are here. We're going to do a Starbucks run to get some coffee, and then we have a couple things maybe to finish up on the tree. I wanted to get another string of garland, so maybe we'll stop at Target. Who knows?
Mom!
We're gonna try our hand
Nikki and I
at
are
Black
gonna
Friday
make,
shopping.
Cupcakes. Said I cook now. I can.
Mommy, look at what I just found. I found something special that I know. Yeah, here, look it. I found remember we had this at home, Iron Man down here, and oh, you
Friday.
did a monster truck. It's a monster truck.
I found stuff I want.
want.
Found something you like?
Mommy, Daddy, come here, come here.
Oh, you said no on that.
I want this too.
See, they send them.
Light.
Ooh, look at this. Just a bunch. Oh, you have this.
Yeah,
right?
we just got that.
Peppa Pig, Kieran.
Lion guard. Batman card. Oh, and they want this too.
Hot Wheels. Dinosaur.
I want
That's
this.
cool.
I want that and this.
Although we have something kind of like this that we bought him for Christmas last year. But he can sit down and do his art and stuff.
Yeah, I don't think we even used it.
No, we really didn't. And it's shelves and stuff, but he could sit here and do his drawings because he likes to draw so much. Flip.
Find something you like?
Yeah.
Darth Vader.
Look at this. Spider-Man, Paw Patrol, Mickey Mouse, Star Wars.
What kind of gloves did you get?
Lucky.
Don't let the Grinch steal your Christmas. Lock your car.
Black Friday shopping. Ugh. Do you plan on eating that? Ew. Don't eat it. Oh, hey. Don't eat that. That's nasty. Oh. What are we doing?
Going to fireworks.
Fireworks.
Yeah.
You mean the tree lighting ceremony? Karen, Grandpa.
Hey.
Mom also joined us.
What?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
What are we doing?
We're walking to the tree lighting ceremony in Greendale, 2016.
Karen, we hear it. We hear it, Daddy.
You hear it? You hear the music?
Yeah. Hey, it's this way. It's this way, Daddy.
In a pear tree, on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me. 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying.
At the Christmas tree.
He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. So
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lights! Oh, look at this guy. I almost forgot. Hey, what do I see coming down the street with the lights on? Come on, yo, Santa! Come on, Santa! Santa! I've been pretty good over here. I'm a good guy.
Almost to Santa. That's your brother.
Karen, sit down by
Get Jaden, move over a little bit.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Santa.
Thank you, Santa. Saturday morning,
I'll reconnect the
going to the village to get coffee. Then what are we doing?
Probably, if it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes I had on yesterday morning, you'd be right. Because I just take my pajama pants off and put on some sweats when we run out in the morning. And brush my hair and I'm gross, don't judge. But anyways, we're gonna go to the village, get some coffee and breakfast, and then we're gonna run to the bank and get some money order to pay some bills. And then we gotta go get some stuff to fix our kitchen bench because Ryan broke it. And then we're gonna go home and play for a little bit, and then Mom's gotta go back to work. But
Got our
tomorrow I
food.
don't have to work.
At the hardware store, almost done with errands. The Gorilla Glue. Christmas stuff everywhere. Have you ever tried to go to a hardware store with a 2- and 6-year-old?
Wait, let's get
Very difficult. On our way home, we survived the errands with the boys. Okay, here is the broken bench. I'm gonna attempt to fix.
Oh, and we're getting a Christmas decor.
Some that Gorilla Glue on here. Although I should probably clean that up. So now I gotta screw this in here to keep this wood, or this leg, so the leg is still wobbly. So I'm hoping that the screw in there will fix it. So here we go. Leg. See if this works. Alright, so the top of the head broke off. So it's still sturdy though. Alright, this is probably as good as it's gonna get. So it doesn't move anymore. Got it reinforced there. It's not pretty. Not the greatest, but I think I got the job done. The true test is if Mom can sit on it. So let's try that. Okay, in the meantime, their kids and Mom are putting up Christmas decorations. So let's look at what Jaden did.
I put costume in and I put Darth Vader here.
The Yoda.
Here, you can.
I don't remember whose is whose, but you can put some on.
I think Jaden had Darth Vader last year, yeah. And I think Kieran had Yoda because he was...
Or you can just
Or
put them all on
R2-D2.
Jaden's store if he wants them there. I don't care.
You want to put them all there? And what else? Ooh, you got
We're
that
decorating
there?
just Jaden's room because he's, this is where they're sleeping. They got the snowman and the...
Ooh. And this. Ooh, and that's nice. You did this, Jay? Nice job.
We're back in business.
Alright, so I think the glue dried. Let's try it. Is it wobbly?
It looks inverted. Is that the one you fixed?
Yeah, it does look inverted.
But it's...
Mommy,
Yeah, it does.
Daddy.
Okay, so the bench works, but it's... I have to get some felt underneath it because I think it's messing up the floor because I didn't do it great.
Welcome to
Because
the
I'm
vlog.
not great at that
Yeah.
job.
Welcome to the vlog.
Alright, so we're probably gonna go to bed.
No! No!
Go to bed soon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll go to bed. Thanks for watching this week's vlog.